Yeah. What do you mean? Oh. Here he is coming back over.
So basically then, he's exiting now, isn't he?
Yeah, so I think technically what he's done, dropping them off and then going to Farnborough to pick them up.
Well, pick up another load.
Yeah.
You don't come back over yet, right?
Yeah.
Right. Should ask you, when you recommended taking out the numbers. There's a helicopter, isn't it?
Yeah, it's coming in.
I'll ask you for it, right?
Yeah, please.
Kick on.
Right.
He's got the up. Here comes that helicopter, right?
Yeah, there's another helicopter over there. But these jets are waiting for the helicopter to come.
Oh, he's going over there, right? Look.
Yeah, that's where they have to go.
He's gone over there. And I thought he might come up here. Oh, his engines are getting louder, right?
He's getting ready to move. So he's going to wait there. So they've got an idle.
He's landed now, the helicopter. That's that little one, isn't it?
What? They've changed the runway. They've changed the runways now.
Yeah.
Yes, and now we're gonna arrive from over there.
Did you hear his engines?
Yeah, yeah.
There he goes. And he's off.